I'll take this opportunity to thank the organizers for giving me this chance because as Mr. Ravindranath was talking about financial inclusion and ICT. We all know financial inclusion, we all know ICT, but this chance given to me, I'd like to share my experience actually. Deccan Grameen Bank, basically it's operating into 5 districts of Andhra Pradesh. We have the responsibility of taking this financial inclusion forward in these 5 districts. But before coming into this experience sharing, financial inclusion, why it is important, we all know. ICT, why we require it. Financial inclusion without ICT, I think it will be very difficult. It's very difficult to implement financial inclusion. The sheer enormity of the work or the volume we think about, I think technology has to come to our help. The number of accounts and the transactions that we are processing now as from the banking channel, from the brick or mortar branches, it has increased manifold over the years. And if we see this work can be done through manual, I employ staff and get the work done manually, the cost will be too much. We cannot handle it. The technology has to come to our rescue. And it has come actually. We have seen this, so many technology products now in banking. We call it ATMs, core banking, internet banking, mobile banking, so RTGS, NEFT, now CTS and all these things. Banking, what happens? Banking needs technology. Same with financial inclusion, absolutely. Without technology, it will be a non-starter. This is what I feel, this is my experience with working with the Deccan Grameen Bank. Financial inclusion, again, somewhat from the traditional banking, it has some difference. It has some very basic characteristics which we'll have to address when we want to take financial inclusion forward. So those characteristics, first and foremost, is the convenience. The customers whom we want to bring to our fold, they require convenience. They don't intend, if I ask them to travel long distances, they will not come to me. So I'll have to make it in such a manner that the services are provided to him by traveling short distances. Then I cannot link it to opening hours also. You come from 10 to 5 only. Again, they will avoid. And last night, I think the security, actually they look forward to security also. Why security is required? Because now we are going to replace that brick and mortar branch comfort actually. The moment I see a brick and mortar branch with a big signboard, that comfort is there, it's a government bank. I'm going to replace that actually. So that security also I need to give them. Flexibility, they require flexibility also. I put some restrictions, you do only 5 transactions in a month. No, I cannot put it that way. And at the same time, from banker's perspective, it has to be at a low cost. I cannot, I cannot simply have expensive things. After examining these things, I think ICT can help in extending these services actually, in all these parameters I have just spelled out. It's the only way to do it is through the help of technology. But with my experience here, we have been implementing financial inclusion and the technology also, we have brought them together in the Deccan Grameen Bank. Because the time limit is also there, sir, I think. So I'll have to cut short. It's my experience actually. What I have felt here, technology is not the financial product. My aim is different. My aim is to offer services to those class of people in the rural areas. But somehow I feel what I have seen with my experience that technology somehow has overtaken. We more focus on technology, and the real aim, I think, it has taken a back seat. But simply, technology has overshadowed the real purpose. Many a times I am personally overwhelmed with the type of technology that is presented to me. Okay, so this can work. But more or less, I think, my aim should be to focus on the rollout, enrollments, transactions, and the services being rendered to the people. Because why I see this technology taking a larger share of this whole gamut, actually, because with my experience, actually, here in Andhra, Deccan Grameen Bank, I think in 2008, we took up payment of this MNRE, GS payments, and social security pension, etc., through this channel. But somehow technology and our aim, they could not keep pace. This thing, I think, after that, the bank was quite aggressive in these things. We had enrolled around 2.36 lakh customers, and made some around 100 crores of payments also. But it did not go forward. So the reason was actually, this is what the crux is, this is what I want to share with you. The reason was, we'll have to see, as a banker or as a service provider, I think many of you may be here also, the reason was we'll have to see this particular work actually that has been given to us. It's a very long drawn process. What I have felt, I think in the last paragraph, Mr. Ravindranath also pointed out, what I have felt, technology providers, since you are investing into this, you will definitely look forward to some return. But my request will be that return will not come very soon. What is the problem right now? The returns we are looking at from day one. And that is the problem where I face. Day one, it will, service providers, they look for returns. As a banker, I look for 100% implementation, day one. These cannot go. It's a very long drawn process. Returns, I think, all of you may be familiar with that, I think Mr. Prahlad saying that there's a fortune at the bottom of the pyramid. This particular financial inclusion, I think definitely it's true. There will be, but we cannot get it from day one. It has to be a sustained effort, starting with enrollment, transactions, then offering more services, getting more services actually from the service providers. Because all those things, insurance, microcredits, recovery, all these things we can bundle. And then definitely this will become a viable project. So right now what I feel, service providers, they need to have patience, associate themselves with the bankers, and this will become a viable project. So, but this is what I wanted, the message I wanted to give was that, we look forward to returns, but there's no quick return in this. And most of the service providers, I think, should not be offended also. I feel that idea is to get returns very quickly. So that patience I require. This message I wanted to give, and I think I'll thank Mr. Pathak for giving me this opportunity also, though I was late. Thank you.